Let's learn with RJK. Our today's topic is to learn about the sentence structure. What structure is being followed in the English grammar to write a meaningful sentence? For this, we need parts of sentences type. There are parts of sentences that are subject, verb, object, complement, and adverbial. All these things together make a meaningful sentence. Typically, a sentence always starts with the subject and the verb. There are five main structure. The first sentence structure is a sentence that begins with subject and it has a verb. For example, my arms are aching. My arms is a subject and aching is the verb. Something happened. Something here is the subject, happened is the verb. Both these words are making a single, simple, meaningful sentence. For these kind of sentences, we need a subject that is the doer, verb, what the action is being done that describes by the verb.
The verb. With the help of subject and verb, we can make a meaningful sentence. The second type is subject, verb, and object. In these sentences, we need a subject.
A subject, verb, and an object. For example, I is a subject, need is a verb, arrest is an object. Five people is a subject, are moving is the verb, the piano is an object. In this sentence, subject and object can be a pronoun or a noun phrase. For a meaningful sentence, we need a subject, verb, and object. Subject is the doer, verb is the action performed in which way, and object what the action is being performed by the subject.
Third structure type is where we need a subject, verb, and the complement. Here we have an example. This piano is heavy. This piano is subject, is verb. Heavy that complements the noun, the subject. Heavy is adjective here. Second example is it was a big problem. It subject was verb. A big problem that complements the subject. That is a noun phrase. For this, we can make a meaningful sentence having adjective and noun phrase. To make a meaningful sentence, we need subject, verb, and complement.
In the fourth type of sentence structure, we need a subject, verb, and adverbial. Adverbial, what is adverb? This is the qualifying of verb. It subject is verb. On my foot is adverb. What is? There is the word that comes as a noun in the adverbial form that tells us about the action is being done, how it is done, where it is done. This is the qualifying verb. Their house is nearby. Their house is subject, is verb, nearby is adverb. Adverbial can be a prepositional word, means before noun if there is preposition placed in the adverbial form, that is called prepositional phrase. In the second sentence we have an adverb. Adverb, what the adverb meaning is? The adverb is the quality of a verb. It implies about the verb. Last structure type is where we have subject, verb, object 1 and object 2. Here we have two type of objects. It's giving me backache. It's subject, giving is the verb, me is the first object, backache is the second object. David bought Melanie a present. David is subject 1, subject, bought, verb, Melanie object 1, a present object 2. In these kind of sentences we need two objects to make this thing clear. that the subject is doing something for a person, and what he is doing, that is being told by the second object. In these type of sentences, we have direct object and indirect object. These two objects tells us about the things being done, for whom and what the thing is being done. That both the objects tells us about this information, what the subject is going to do for a person. Let's have a recap for what we have done. We understood what the structure type is. Here are some example in a jumbled form. We have to make it in a serial order. First of all, we need a subject. In the first sentence, Milane is the subject, is verb, very nice is object, and the sentence structure is subject, verb and object. Milane is very nice. Again, we need Tom is the subject, likes is a verb, football is the object. Tom likes football. In the next word, we is the subject, and moved, we moved the piano. Moved is a verb, the piano is the object. For all these type of sentences, we have to write the subject first. After that subject, we have to place a verb, and after, if we have the object, the sequence of a sentence will be subject, verb and object. In the next example, we have Harriet, a name, that is subject, is verb. A tall woman is an adverbial phrase. Harriet is a tall woman. Everyone is a subject, sat is verb, on the floor is prepositional adverb. Everyone sat on the floor. Mikey's friend is subject, gave is the verb, him is object 1, some help is the second object. Here we have the sentence structure: subject, verb, adverbial phrase, subject, verb, prepositional phrase, subject, verb, object 1 and object 2. With these type of structures, sentence structure, we understand how we can make a meaningful sentence. Always remember, the students, that we need subject, verb, object to make a meaningful sentence. For a simple sentence, we need subject and verb. Others are the next formations of it. Thank you.